be scrolling upside down, and go. I be scrolling upside down, and go. I was checking on my phone while I'm stretching on my backbone. What's up with this timeline? Really got me into that.
Yeah, man, it just doesn't compare to 85, man. I need to get back on that corn, baby. The construction life when you have to enter through these grates. Look how much these platforms fucking make my car shake. This shit's so sketchy. I'm glad I'm not lowered, bro. Oh shit. That's every time, bro. Holy shit, girl. Better not hit my shit. This girl got so close. Today's a sad day, y'all. We are going to be flashing the GTI back to stock and go down and fucking install. Alright, so change of plans. I just threw $20 of 91 in, and then I'm gonna head back home, plug in my battery charger, and then reflash it because I cannot risk damaging my ECU. I just can't do it. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, we back at the crib. So we got the battery charger hooked up. If you guys need one of these, I got this at Harbor Freight. I think this one was like 50 bucks, but there are like $20, $30 ones that you could get. Engine on. Turn the radio off. Make sure the lights are off, headlights off. Uninstall access port. Like, there you go. So again, the reason why we are flashing this back is because I'm gonna take this to the dealership tomorrow to see if they honor my warranty for my brakes. Because if I post my E85 video before this one, which I'm pretty sure I will, I mentioned that my brake rotors are warped now. I can just feel it, and I just hate the way it feels, and it just doesn't feel all that safe. Yeah, it's a wear and tear item. They don't cover it. Warranty only covers mechanical like issues and like engine work and stuff like that. So if anyone else didn't know that, now you know. Yeah, so I'll hit you back once this is done loading and flash back to stock, and we'll go out for a little hit so we can see how slow she is again. I've been meaning to do this anyways because running full 85, I've watched a good amount of videos on YouTube that say it's good to flash it back and run 91 every now and again, so you give your car a break. Uninstall successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. Well, that's perfect because I really have to take a shit. We gotta go get this test hit. I don't know why, I'm kind of excited. I haven't been back on stock power since I got the car, really. It's been like 8 months maybe since I've been on E85. So I was getting used to the E85 power, so it's good to come back down and be grateful for where I'm at, you know? All right, man, here we go. I'm gonna do a little second gear, little hit. Oh my God, I could drive with one hand now, it's crazy. Stock power still feels really good. No hate on stock power. If you're running a stock GTI, it's still solid power, man. This is gonna be a short video, but I thought I added in just in case some of you guys were looking to uninstall it, but you didn't know how. And it's really just push the uninstall button. I've seen people uninstall it without a battery charger. I just wasn't with that right now. You know, I wanted no problems, like I said before. So I went home, hooked it up. I did put the gas before. I didn't go and boost on my way home. The gas station is really close to my house, so if you do have a gas station close to your house, then I'd recommend doing it that way. But if the gas station is far, I'd recommend putting in like a 5-gallon tank, taking it home, and then filling it up there. But hey, to each their own, you know. All right, this last hit, I'm gonna do a quick 3 to 4 hit. I gotta say, man, stock power is not bad at all. 3 to 4 feels good. There is a pretty big difference on E85, which I mean, obviously 100 horsepower plus, you know, over stock power. But all right, there you go, man. So that was a couple rips back on stock power, which honestly feels really good. Once you get into boost, it's really linear, and it does pick up around 2,500 RPMs rather than 3,000. I know once I flash it back to full 85, oh man, it's gonna be it's gonna be like the first time again.
What do you mean by that?
And on top of that, I'm gonna be doing an oil change and switching out the spark plug, so it definitely should be feeling A1. All right, let's hope I didn't fuck this up and the car starts.